The next concept we are going to learn is début, continuation et fin de l'action. That is the start, the continuation and the finishing of an action. So we are going to use certain verbs to explain the start, the finish and the continuation of the actions. So here I have given you few verbs. Les verbes commencer, continuer, etc. Now, two verbs given here are commencer, to begin, continuer, to continue. So, I have used them in sentences. Pierre commence à travailler à 9 heures. So, now the expression is commence. Started to work. Pierre commence à travailler à 9 heures. The next one, il s'arrête de travailler à midi. So, the next word is s'arrête de travailler. Arrête is to stop. So, he stopped working at noon, midi. Il s'arrête de travailler à midi. The next sentence is il reprend. So this is one more verb. Reprendre à. Il reprend. So he restarts. Il reprend à 13 heures et continue à. Again, continue. Et continue à travailler à l'après-midi, in the afternoon. Il finit de travailler. So, to finish. Finit de travailler à 18 ans. Now, what are the words we used to describe an action that started, continues and finishes? So, Pierre commence à, started. Il s'arrête de, so he stopped. Il reprend. Reprend is to continue again, to restart. Reprendre and then continue à. He continues to work. Il finit de travailler. He finished working. So, in this paragraph here, we explained the work of a person, at what time he started, when did he take a break, how did he continue and the finish. So these are some verbs we use to describe the start, continuation and the finish of the action.